manufacturing sector has shown a decent growth in the recent few years and is set to rise significantly. It is gradually assuming a critical role in driving the country's economy. This is also substantiated by a recent report by Sher Khan, which states that the incremental contribution of the manufacturing sector to the economy is projected to exceed 32%. This is the result of positive outlook of the foreign players and investors towards the Indian industry and the talent, and various initiatives that the government has been taking, including the initiatives for entrepreneurial development, skill development, and tax and other fiscal incentives. Yet, a lot more can be done to further boost the manufacturing sector in India. For example, there are no robust incentives for research and development. In the upcoming budget, the government may consider reviving existing incentives or bringing in some new ones for research and development, whether in-house or otherwise, with less bureaucratic procedural requirements. This will play a significant role, particularly in the EV sector, which has been the focus of the government amidst green initiatives. Further, the concessional tax regime for the new manufacturing companies, which has ended in the last fiscal year, may be revived by the government. The government may also consider some measures to promote sustainable business practices, for example, providing additional depreciation or additional tax incentives to the industries shifting to solar or wind power. Some robust incentives for promoting manufacturing of semiconductors and electronic products are also warranted. So far as the GST regime is concerned, the Indian automobile industry, which has the lion's share in the manufacturing sector, has been facing a lot of issues around classification of automobile components. Streamlining the classification and rate structure will lend clarity and reduce protracted litigation. The government may also consider rolling out production-linked incentive schemes again for the key sectors, with ease of compliances and assured benefits to the smaller players. Last but not the least, while the government has been taking many initiatives for reducing tax leakages, many of the recent amendments in this regard have led to increase in the compliance burden on the taxpayers. On a lighter note, instead of less government, more governance, it is leading to a less government, more taxpayer situation. The government may consider easing out this compliance burden by making the procedures simple and mellowing down the consequences of non-compliance.